It's time to turn off the color and still keep things beautiful. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm in the mood for some black and white photography, and the theme for today is food photography. Food photography without color. Is it even possible? Because we get drawn to the color of a dish, and by the color we kind of try to decipher what will be the taste of the dish. So it's going to be a challenge to photograph dishes without color, but let's see how we do.
I have capsicum. I will photograph it from top. Let's go closer. For lighting, I will use my external flash, to which I have attached a honeycomb grid. I will place it right on top of the capsicum. Next, I have some green peas. Here also I will use my flash with a grid. I have my peas in a bowl against a plain black background. I am using a black dupatta which I have taped to the wall. I have placed my flash right behind the bowl. Now I have placed peas on a sieve and have composed the scene. I will light it from the side with my flash attached to a ball diffuser. I will bounce the light using a paper plate. Against the same black cloth, I have placed 3 onions and will light them from the side with a paper plate on the other side to bounce the light. Some Oreos next. Oreos are black and white, so are bound to fit into the black and white theme. I will light them from behind. Another composition of Oreos in a stack. I have arranged Oreos on an off-white cloth which is on a dark table. Will give great contrast of black and white. Playing with some more contrast, will light it from top. Spices on spoons, again using my flash with ball diffuser to light it.
So guys, if this food photography video made you a little hungry, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous food photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.